To get your infill layer to drop completely down into the backing of your grass, the object is to brush the grass blades back, allowing the infill to drop in and not just pushed across the surface. When using a power broom, it's important to not throttle too hard, as you'll do more harm than good. With firm downward pressure, ease the throttle on until the power broom is pushing you backwards. Keep firm pressure and walk backwards slowly as you work the infill deep into the grass. With a low throttle, you'll avoid throwing infill into unwanted places and you'll end up with a smoother layer beneath the blades. Work in rows and overlap your passes to make sure all of the infill is dropped in and all of the blades are standing vertically. Use this technique until there is no visible infill left on the surface. To work tied up against walls, angle the power broom so that the axle is away from the wall, but the bristles can brush down into the corner. You'll find the right angle with a little practice. Smooth out all of your perimeter edges and broom over your newly installed grass surface, making sure it is all brushed up and standing tall. With your infill all settled into the grass and the blades evenly brushed up, it's time for the final touches.